Rising back. The science behind the defense and how to argue it. Under New York law, prosecutors must prove your blood alcohol concentration was 0.08% or higher at the time you were driving, not when you took the test hours later. The rising BAC defense challenges breath and blood test results by examining the science of alcohol absorption and the timing between your traffic stop and chemical testing. Most people assume their BAC spikes immediately after drinking, but alcohol actually takes time to move from your stomach into your bloodstream through the small intestine. This absorption process creates a curve with 3 distinct phases that can make a delayed chemical test less reliable than the number alone suggests. During the absorption phase, alcohol begins entering your bloodstream gradually, with the rate depending on whether you have food in your stomach. Your BAC continues climbing after your last drink, often reaching its peak 30 minutes to 2 hours later, sometimes even longer for certain individuals. If you were still absorbing alcohol when police stopped you, your BAC at the time of driving may have been significantly lower than your later test result. The longer the delay between your traffic stop and chemical test, the more room there is for a rising back argument to challenge the prosecution's case. Police often need time to transport drivers, complete paperwork, and locate certified breath test operators, during which your body keeps absorbing remaining alcohol. Personal factors like body composition, food intake, medications, and the type of drinks consumed can all influence how quickly alcohol enters your bloodstream. An experienced lawyer can challenge the retrograde extrapolation methods prosecutors use to estimate your BAC at an earlier time based on flawed assumptions. Jason Bassett is a former Queens County prosecutor who now applies his prosecutorial experience and understanding of alcohol metabolism to defend DWI cases across Long Island. This attorney uses scientific principles to review breath and blood test results, examining whether the timing and circumstances support a rising back defense. If the evidence shows your BAC was below the legal limit while driving, the prosecution's chemical test result may be successfully challenged in court. Contact law offices of Jason Bassett, PC, at 631-259-6060, located at 320 Carlton Ave, number 4200, Central Islip, NY, to discuss your DWI case today.